Hi, I'm Manisha from Kiriti Group. Let's discuss Mover today. What is it exactly? Mover is not just a scheme. Imagine importing a machine worth crores. Normally, the moment that machine lands in India, customs asks for duty, lakhs of rupees, to be paid upfront, before the machine even starts earning a single rupee. But what if I told you that you can bring that machine to your factory and not pay any custom duty immediately? That's what Mover talks about. What is Mover exactly? Mover, manufacture and other operations in warehouse, allows factories to register as a private bonded warehouse. Meaning, a company imports a machine worth crores under normal import, duty paid immediately. Under Mover, zero duty at the port. The machine reaches the factory, production starts, business grows, and duty, it gets deferred until goods are cleared under applicable rules. Even better, unlike EPCG or advance authorization, you don't even have to fulfill the export obligation. Sell in India, export abroad, or do both. Anything works. Your choice. And if imported inputs finally go into exported goods, the deferred custom duty liability can be discharged as per applicable Mover rules. That means more working capital staying inside the business instead of getting logged at customs. One factory, one machine, one registration. And lakhs that would have stayed blocked stay inside the business and help it grow without the blockage of working capital. That's why in 2026, Mover isn't just a scheme. It's not about saving duty. It's about buying time, protecting cash flow, and making growth happen before payments do. We facilitate everything from the start of the scheme to the application of the scheme to the licensing of the scheme and till the registration of the scheme, and also take care of the monthly returns for the scheme. So we will be with you for the end-to-end process of this. The only thing you have to do is to trust us with this. We are just one call away. I have always been telling this. Thank you for watching us today.